And so to start this bomb diggity bomb project, I dragged and dropped my photo of myself, of course, onto Photoshop. Now you can use Photoshop, you can use Design Space, Silhouette program, or whatever program you use, if it's Word or Publisher to edit your photos and to print from, that's fine. So right now I am, estimating appropriate size for my mug, that the photo won't be too big for the mug or too small that you can't see the image. So I'm brightening my image here in Photoshop, and then I'm gonna go on to printing. Yes, so I'm brightening right here, doing the final touches. And so I'm going on to print, selecting my printer, print properties, right, and my print profile as well, to ensure that everything is to the best quality that I want it to be. And now it's sent to my Epson 2720 printer, yes, that I use for sublimation. So I got it new, and I just poured them sub inks in it, yes, for my sub printer. And so I turned on my heat press, yes, heat press, so it can go on heat up until I'm ready for my subbing. So here is the print. I look pretty, don't I? Okay, and so these are the things that I use. Transparent vinyl. This is transparent Oracle vinyl, and this is glitter white glitter HTV vinyl. And this is my practice mug. So you see it has a little dent right there, and so I use it just to practice and to display some new projects or ideas that I've done. And also, you know that you definitely need your computer. You need your computer to do this work. You need your printer, your sublimation printer as well. And you also need your heat press. Heat press is important. You need it. You only can use a heat press to do sublimation, right? And so here is my paper. I am cutting it. I'm cutting out the image so that I can get out the picture. Definitely. That's why I'm cutting the image, to get out the picture. Right? I'm cutting the image so that I have, yes, so I leave a little bit of space around it so that when I put it on, yes, so if there's any little bleed over, I definitely know that everything is perfect. So I want it. So I'm using the paper of the printed design to make the size that I want for the glitter HTV that's gonna be pressed on the mug, right? Don't I look pretty? Oh my god, I look so cute. I'm not great at this, guys, so I'm just trying my best to give you the ideas. So yeah, so this is the transparent vinyl now I'm showing you guys, and I'm gonna use the glitter vinyl to cut out a similar size or shape of it, because I'm going to adhere, I'm going to press the glitter vinyl onto the transparent vinyl. I don't know if it will work for the regular vinyl, the colored ones, and so I'm showing you, you know, the glitter vinyl and the transparent vinyl, similar sizes, right? I don't know if the regular vinyl will work, because I just think that it's gonna melt. The transparent vinyl has the ability to just maintain putting down the glitter vinyl right on top. So the carrier sheet is still on it, so that's there to turn the timer on. Just count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there you go. You take it off, and it's supposed to stick on. It's supposed to adhere on to the vinyl. So now I'm taking off the carrier sheet from off the glitter vinyl, the top of it, and there you go. See all that glitter? Look at that glitter. It's glittering, right? So you see the time is there, and see my glitter vinyl. The time has not gone to 400 as yet, but I have to wait. In the meantime, I'm lining up my picture to be on top of my glitter vinyl. Oh my god, doing voiceovers can be a challenge. So now it's at 400. Yay! All right, so I put the paper over, and then now I'm gonna press 400 degrees at 60 seconds. So it's counting down. Reach now at 35, 34, 33, 32. Hold that heat press down and medium heat now. Beep, we're at 0. Stop that noise, and we're gonna see the magic. See it print through, All right, come on now. Oh, it stick up on the bottom of it. Okay, I'm Jamaican people, so you know the accent. So if you want me to do this again, trust me, and I will try to do it even more detailed. Leave a comment down below if you want me to kind of try this again. I did this for the first time and I was so excited, and so I had to do a little mock-up thing just to show you guys. So no, say it's hot, it's very hot, so I am fanning. You know, silly me, I'm using my hand to fan it. Oh my god. So it's hot. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, is that me? Or is that me? Come on, look at all that glitter. It is glittering, it is shining, it looks so pretty, and it is me. All right, so I'm showing you. I didn't speed this up because I want you to really see the details. So here I am. Oh my god, our video turned upside down. Jesus. Turn your phone sideways, turn it around if you cannot see it properly right now. Turn it around, por favor. You know, I'm not great with this editing right now. And you're gonna take your time and you're gonna snip off, you know, the edges. If you wanna leave a little around the edge, you know, like a border, that's all up to you. If you wanna cut everything off and you just want the colored part of the printing shown of the image, that's up to you. But I just wanted a little border. I just want to see how it would look, you know. So I'm just so blinging right now, you know. I'm just, you know, I'm feeling this. So here's my practice mug, right? And I'm gonna put this thing on. And so knowing that the transparent vinyl is at the back, you know, you'll have to take off the backing so that you can now stick it to the mug. You're gonna stick it to the mug, and look at that. You know, right here I was so excited about this. You know, I think I'm the first one ever in this world to do such a thing, and I just feel real proud of myself. Trust me guys, crafting is not easy. I was having challenges to do a design on a mug, and I did the mug like 3-4 times and it wasn't working out. And then this idea came to me. You know, whenever you feel pressured, don't give up, just continue to try, and trust me, you will invent something. So now I stick it to the mug. Remember, it's like when you're gonna cut vinyl with your Cricut or your Silhouette, and then you know the adhesive is at the back of that vinyl to stick to the mug. Like, look at it. This is what I did. You want to put photos on mug, you don't have to do water slide. You want to have something unique and different. There is glitter, and oh my god, I am just in awe of this that I did. It's like awesome. It's like awesome. I wanted to have images. I don't have a water slide. I don't have a sublimation heat press, the mug press. And so I wanted to use what I have. And so I had transparent vinyl, I had glitter vinyl, and I did this. I just want to cry. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for viewing. Subscribe share to others so that they can see the magic. Look at what I did. And I think you can lift it off too, but remember, it is just as great as regular